Instant calendar designing. Let's design a calendar. As soon as you start the software, you can see the ready calendar categories and sizes. Before I start designing the calendar, I need to set the calendar related information first. For that, I'll go to Preferences option here. From the calendar option, I'll be able to do the calendar settings. Say, language of the calendar. Period start from is nothing but the starting month of the calendar. And now the year. Select the weekdays from week starts from option. Mention the weekly holiday. I'm selecting Sunday in first drop down and Saturday in the second one, as my calendar is 5 days working calendar. If you are designing a corporate calendar, then you can add company logo, company name and details on it through My Profile option. To know about rest of the options in details, refer the Preferences and Help video. Now I am selecting the category and size for my calendar. Here in Type drop down, you need to specify the calendar type, whether monthly, monthly plus, quarterly and so on. I am selecting quarterly here. Moving to the next window, you can see the collection of themes. Filters are making my theme selection process real easy. In this window, you have to provide the path of photo folder. Click on hard drive icon will give you an access of your internal drives. And the best part is you will be able to bring in the photos from your desktop, My Documents folder or even from My Pictures easily. You can also import photos via CD or DVD and also from USB drive. You can resize, rename, rotate the photos and even do basic color correction with the tools given below. Let's start the photo selection. Either select all like this or keep the multiple options selected and select one by one. My total photo count can be seen here. Required photos displayed here. And the selected photo count is shown here. All the photos can be selected at a time by using Ctrl+A button of your keyboard. A calendar is ready and you can see the preview. Navigate and view other pages too. I can zoom by scrolling over the photo and pan it like this to adjust it within the frame. Best part is, if I want some other template instead of the current one, this Change Template button will do it for me in just single click. My every click is giving me different designs. I can go on previous template easily. I can apply the same template on rest of the calendar pages as well. The calendar is ready to take the output. This edit option here will give me the flexibility to edit every single object on my calendar. Various tabs available here will help you to manage the design. I can change the template from Template tab as well. Sort and select the category and now double clicking on the template and the template gets applied. Meaningful clip art can be added from Clip Arts library. Additional controls like resizing, rotating helps you to design the page the way you want. Even title addition is possible to make the calendar more descriptive. Title can be scaled easily on page like this and can be filled not just with color but with texture too. Texture images are given in the software and you can browse and bring in your own. Adjust the texture style between tile and stretch. The title you inserted can be made more creative by changing font type, size, shadows and outline. The calendar tab here will give me the options to adjust the font style, color, as well as the date layout and grid line. My calendar design is ready to print, but something is still missing and that is events. Let's go to the event tab. This drop down here will show the preloaded events month-wise. To apply these events, I just need to click on this add button. You can see the events are added. The clear will remove every added event from the calendar. I can import the datasheet of my events from here. I can create the new category and can add events one by one. We will see this in details in Highlight the Special Dates with Events. You can see the events are added and it's time to take the output. Let's save the project first so I can reopen it for further editing later on. Give it a name and path for saving and done. It is really good that I can take the output in PDF or in JPEG as well. Now the choice is yours. Here I am going for the JPEG option. Give it a name. Now the path to save the output, and here is something interesting is color profile. You will get a color specification plugin from the printing lab if they prefer printing other than RGB profile. You can install and select that profile from here. Optimize quality will retain the quality of the output and optimize size will retain the file size of it. Select the optimize quality option and now take the output. In this way, the calendar can be designed instantly and sent for printing.